Have you ever pondered the question, is Earth the only planet teeming with life? As we cast our eyes to the cosmos, we're confronted with an intriguing possibility. Exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars beyond our own solar system. These celestial bodies offer us a tantalizing prospect, life beyond our blue marble. Now, what makes a planet a suitable crib for life as we know it? Two key factors play a pivotal role. First, it needs to be just the right distance from its star, a sweet spot often referred to as the habitable zone. Here, conditions are just right for liquid water, an essential ingredient for life to exist. Second, the presence of water. Without it, the chances of life diminish significantly. The universe is vast, yet here we are, probing its depths, searching for a hint of life beyond our own world. So let's delve into the mysteries of these far-flung worlds, starting with the nearest exoplanet that could potentially harbor life. Proxima Centauri b, our closest exoplanet neighbor, lies a mere 4.2 light-years away. This intriguing exoplanet orbits the star Proxima Centauri, which is the closest star to our solar system. Proxima Centauri b is approximately 1.3 times the size of Earth, and the temperature on its surface could allow for liquid water, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. However, living on Proxima Centauri b could pose some major challenges. For one, its host star, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf that frequently emits flares. These flares can be much more powerful than the ones our sun produces, and could potentially strip away the planet's atmosphere and make it uninhabitable. Despite these challenges, the possibility of Proxima Centauri b being a home away from home is tantalizing. Despite its proximity, life on Proxima Centauri b remains speculative, but our journey doesn't end here. Next stop, the TRAPPIST-1 system, a family of 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which fall within the habitable zone. This cosmic ensemble, located a relatively short 40 light-years away, has been a hot topic since its discovery in 2017. The TRAPPIST-1 system is fascinating for a host of reasons. The 7 planets, named TRAPPIST-1b through TRAPPIST-1h, orbit their parent star at a distance that is much closer than Mercury is to our Sun. Despite this proximity, the star's low temperature allows for mild climates on the planets. 3 of these planets, TRAPPIST-1, E, F, and G, are nestled in the system's habitable zone, where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist on their surfaces. Among these, TRAPPIST-1e stands out as the most Earth-like. It's similar in size to our home planet, with roughly the same amount of sunlight. In fact, if you were standing on TRAPPIST-1e, the star would appear about 3 times larger in the sky than the Sun does from Earth. But it's not all rosy. TRAPPIST-1e, like its siblings, is believed to be tidally locked. This means that one side of the planet always faces the star, basking in perpetual daylight, while the other side is shrouded in eternal night. This could result in extreme temperature differences between the 2 hemispheres, creating harsh winds and weather patterns. Yet, despite this, the possibility of life cannot be entirely ruled out. Scientists speculate that if TRAPPIST-1e has an atmosphere similar to Earth's, it could help to distribute heat around the planet, mitigating the harsh conditions. The TRAPPIST-1 system indeed presents a tantalizing prospect for the search for extraterrestrial life. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises with diverse planetary systems that challenge our understanding and expand our horizons. The TRAPPIST-1 system, with its intriguing possibilities, leaves us yearning for more. Gliese 667 cc, a super-Earth in the Goldilocks zone, could be a tantalizing prospect for life. This planet, almost 4.5 times the size of Earth, is located in the constellation of Scorpius, around 22 light-years away. Its size and mass categorize it as a super-Earth. But what really piques our interest is its location in the habitable zone of its star system, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This is the area around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet, an essential ingredient for life as we understand it. Gliese 667 cc accomplishes this delicate balance, orbiting its host star, Gliese 667c, at just the right distance. Yet, this super-Earth presents us with unique challenges. Its greater mass means stronger gravity, which could make movement more laborious for any potential inhabitants. It also orbits a red dwarf, a type of star known for unpredictable and violent flare-ups. These flares could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time, making it less hospitable for life. But despite these challenges, Gliese 667 cc continues to captivate us. Its potential for water, its super-Earth status, and its position in the Goldilocks zone make it a fascinating object of study in our search for extraterrestrial life. Gliese 667 cc, a tantalizing yet challenging prospect, pushes our quest for life further. Finally, we arrive at Kepler 442b, often touted as the best candidate for extraterrestrial life. This intriguing exoplanet, discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, is located a staggering 1,100 light-years away. Despite its remote location, Kepler 442b has sparked considerable interest among astronomers and astrobiologists alike. Kepler 442b boasts an Earth similarity index of about 60%, making it one of the most Earth-like planets we've found to date. It sits comfortably in the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions could be just right for liquid water to exist, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. Yet, the planet is not without its challenges. Its greater distance from Earth makes it a more elusive target for research. Plus, it orbits a K-type star, which is cooler and smaller than our Sun. This could result in a variety of possible conditions on the planet, ranging from a frozen world to a hot, dry desert, or perhaps something in between. Despite these uncertainties, Kepler 442b's intriguing characteristics make it a compelling candidate in the search for life beyond our solar system. With every new discovery, we are reminded of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. With its promising characteristics, Kepler 442b reminds us that the search for life is far from over. The universe, it seems, still holds many secrets yet to be discovered.